Assalamualaikum all friends. Interview questions and answer for fire watcher and hole watcher. Let's start. Number one question. What is HSC? HSC is preventing people from being harmed by work or becoming ill by taking the right precaution and providing a satisfactory working environment. Number two question. What is health? Absence of disease, pulse, and physical, mental, and social well being. Question number 3. What is safety? Absence of uncontrolled hazards, unacceptable or significant risk, freedom from those conditions which can cause of incident and accident. Question number 4. What is hazard? Something with the potential to cause loss or harm of any kind, such as injury to people, damage to equipment. Example: electricity, welding machine, knives, or vibration. Question number 5. What is risk? Combination of the likelihood of harm to occur and the severity of that harm. This harm could be injury to people or damage to equipment. Risk is equal likelihood multiply severity. Example: working at height, confined space in tree or welding. Question number 6. What is risk assessment? A risk assessment is simply a careful examination of what in your work could cause harm to people so that you can compare whether you have taken sufficient precaution or should do more to prevent harm. Focus on significant risk or not travel. Question number 7. How many steps of risk assessment? There are 5 steps of risk assessment. Identify the hazard, decide who might be harmed and how, evaluate the risk assessment, decide on precaution. Record your findings and implement them. Review your assessment and update if necessary. Question number 8. What is the difference between risk assessment and hazards? Hazard is something that has potential to harm you. Risk is the likelihood of hazards causing harm. What is job safety analysis? JSA is a systematic procedure that breaks each job task into key training sequences, identifies safety elements of each job task step. Question number 10. Step of JSA. Selecting the job to the analyzed. Number 2. Breaking the job down into sequence steps. And number 3. Identifying potential hazard. Number 4. Determining preventive measures to overcome these hazards. Question number 11. What is difference between risk assessment and JSA? The main difference between risk assessment and JSA is scope. A JSA involves specific job risk and typically focus on the risk associated with each step of the task. A risk assessment gives a higher level of broader view of all operational risks across an entire business project or type of activity.